welcome to my DIY channel. In today's video, I want to celebrate a big milestone with you. There's over 20,000 of you out there already. I cannot believe it. I am overjoyed and I feel so blessed and humble to have all of you out there watching me and subscribing to my channel and writing me all these wonderful comments, sending me so much love. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. So I want to celebrate this special time with you with a giveaway. I would like to give away my golden butterfly wreath. I know how much all of you loved it in my last video when I put it together, and I want to share it with you, especially because not that many of you found the 3D wreath form yet. So hopefully I can package it well and deliver it to your door, to one lucky winner. So let's go over the rules for a giveaway. So the official rules are in the description down below. But it's very simple. Basically, you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to like this video and also the golden butterfly, the 3D wreath video. So gotta like those two videos. And you have to be a US resident. I am so sorry that I cannot include my besties outside US. I really apologize for that. And also, you have to be 21 years or older. How do you enter the giveaway? It's very simple. All you have to do is like both videos, and you have to comment down below, enter me. And it would be great if you could include some of these cute little butterfly emojis. And don't worry if you can't find them. So I am very excited to share with you my handmade creation. And if you watched the last video when I put this together, you're gonna notice that there's a small change. There's a candle up there. I just did that, and I think it takes it to another level. If you like to see how to do that, please stay through the end of this video. So the giveaway will start today. You can submit your entry by February 14th midnight Eastern Standard Time. And I will draw and announce the winner here on this channel on February 15th. I am so excited. I wish best of luck to all of you, my dear besties. And I cannot wait to see who is gonna be the lucky winner. One more thing. I am very often asked so many questions. Where's your accent from? What breed is Coco? Speaking of the devil, just came from the outside. She is so messy and dirty. What else? Am I a professional florist? All that fun stuff. I thought when I give away my wreath will be a good time now to answer your questions. What do you think? If you have any questions for me, go ahead, leave them down below, and I'll be sure to address all of them, okay?
And now let me quickly show you how I added this LED candle from Dollar Tree. In order to secure it to my wreath, I decided to add 2 little screws at the bottom. And then I took my wire cutters, snapped off the little heads, and now it will be really easy to insert the candle in the floral foam. You see, those 2 little posts will keep the candle secure. First, let me quickly remove those feathers to make room for the candle. And as you can see, my piece of foam is tiny. It wasn't meant to be for a candle. So I'm just going to show you now. I'm going to deal with it, but for my bestie before the shipment, I'm going to replace the foam with a nicer, bigger piece. And then you basically reinsert all the butterflies and the feathers around there. And you can create your own original arrangement as you wish. And what is Coco doing? Don't you try to fool me with those cute little eyes. I see what you're up to. And here's the look at the finished wreath with the candle. How do you like it? I think it is the cherry on the top. For those of you who have not seen my previous video, I was inspired by Pier 1's Golden Butterfly wall decor. I was able to recreate it for a fraction of the cost using the 3D wreath form from Dollar Tree and some gold spray paint. And it came out amazing. Many of you commented that it's even better because it is 3D. And I hope you're gonna like it even more now with the LED candle. I am so excited to give it away now to one of my besties. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and good luck!